So record payment of notes payable is decreased and cash is decreased by 70. Ano ba yun? Pag nagbayad tayo na notes payable natin, tumaas ba yung cash natin? Kasi sabi dito, notes payable is decreased. And cash is increased by 70. Tama pala? Mali. Kasi yung notes payable natin is decreased and cash is also decreased. So record payment of rent, rent expense and cash are increased by 8,000. Mali. So yung tama doon is record the purchase of computer equipment. Equipment is increased and cash is decreased. Balance sheet account, sir. Ito. Is it permanent account? Temporary account? Accounts within balances? And adjusting account. Saan na yun? Balance sheet, accounts are permanent. Permanent. Tandaan nyo basta balance sheet, accounts, they are permanent. Bakit permanent? Kasi cash na yung jinx, cash pa rin, dyan pa rin. Pero yung yung income statement accounts, they are temporary. Kasi pinag-close yan sila at the end of the period. Pag nag-close mo yan sa capital, mawawala na yan. Kaya temporary yung income statement. Tandaan niyo. Balance sheet account sa permanent. Income statement account sa temporary. Kasi at the end of the period, in-close doon. Mawawala yun. Then, the following year, baga na naman sila. Nag-prove na naman sila. Nag-prove sa palay. Palay, iba pag naluto, i-harvest. Pala na mawala na. Mawala na. Then, the next magtanim tayo, andyan naman siya. Pero bago na siya. Pero yung sa balance sheet, andyan yan. Andyan yan siya. So parang yun ang ating bahay. Natapos na harvest, di ba niladala natin yung pala doon? Tandaan ninyo, yung balance sheet accounts are permanent. Permanent. Okay. Yung income statement accounts are temporary. Temporary. So record payment of notes payable is decreased and cash is decreased by 70. Ano ba yun? Pag nagbayad tayo na notes payable natin, tumaas ba yung cash natin? Kasi sabi dito, notes payable is